Tired of moving money between RBC and Scotia like it's a complicated circus act? First, unlock your phone and tap on the RBC Mobile App icon to open it. Enter your username and password to log into your RBC account. Once you're logged in, look for the transfer option on the homepage. It's usually near the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Tap on it. Now, you'll need to add Scotiabank as a payee. Select the Add Payee option. It might also be labeled Add Recipient or something similar. In the search bar, type in Scotiabank. A list of options should appear. Select Scotiabank. Next, you'll need to enter your Scotiabank account details. This includes your account number and the branch transit number. Double-check these numbers carefully to make sure they are correct. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the Scotiabank account details you entered. Verify all the information is correct, and then tap Confirm or Add Payee. Now that Scotiabank is added as a payee, go back to the main transfer screen. You should now see Scotiabank listed as an option. Tap on it. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Then, select the RBC account you want to transfer the money from. Review all the transfer details carefully one last time. This is important to avoid sending money to the wrong place. Make sure the amount, the Scotiabank account, and the sending RBC account are all correct. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap Confirm Transfer. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen with a confirmation number. You've successfully transferred money from RBC to Scotiabank.